students, this is Anant Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Today we are going to continue with problems on students recommendation, that is Engineering Sciences Fluid Mechanics XEB 2016 question paper we are discussing, and now we will do the question number 15. The question is something like this: velocity potential and stream function in polar coordinates small r and theta for a potential flow over a cylinder with radius capital R is given as phi is equal to u infinity into small r plus capital R square by small r cos theta, and psi is equal to u infinity into small r minus r square by small r sin theta respectively. Here u infinity denotes the uniform free stream velocity and theta is measured counterclockwise as shown in the figure. How does the velocity magnitude q over the surface of the cylinder vary? This is the question. Now, first of all, we need to understand the relationship between the velocity potential function and the velocities, the stream function and the velocities in polar coordinate system, that is r theta coordinate systems. Let us see what it is. See, u r can be given as equal to 1 by r dou psi by dou theta, or this can be equal to dou phi by dou r. Similar way, u theta can be given as dou psi by dou r, or it can be given as 1 by r dou phi by dou theta. Now what we have to understand, we have to get u r and u theta. Now we have to see which is easier for us, whether algebra is easy, differentiating with respect to algebra is easy, or trigonometry is easy. So I am going to choose these equations, that is u r is equal to dou phi by dou r and u theta is going to be equal to dou psi by dou r. These are the two equations I am going to take. Let us do that. So first of all, u r, when I say, I'll put it like this, u r, when we say u r can be equal to dou phi by dou r. So dou of dou r into what is phi? Phi is given as u infinity into r plus r square by r into cos theta, correct? So now this comes as equal to u infinity into this r goes as 1 minus r square by r square into cos theta. Now what is the value when, now here one of the things we have to understand is we have to calculate at the surface of the cylinder. At the surface of the cylinder, my small r is equal to capital R. So at the surface, my small r is equal to capital R, and when I substitute that, my u r becomes equal to u infinity into 1 minus r square by r, when I say it is 1 minus 1 into cos theta, that becomes equal to 0. So u r is not there. What about u theta? Let us take u theta. U theta we are taking as dou by dou r of psi, which is equal to dou by dou r of psi, which is equal to dou by dou r of r minus r square by r sin theta. Okay, so now this will come as equal to this is r square into sin theta. I am sorry here. Let us see what does it have. So it is r when I and u infinity. I am sorry, I missed that u infinity here. That u infinity also has to come there. So we have u infinity, which is not a function of anything, so it comes out. So dou by dou r is 1 minus into, we have, when you differentiate this, r square by r square, this minus comes here and becomes plus into sin theta. Okay, so this will come. Now at the surface what happens? At the surface r is equal to capital R. That means u theta is equal to u infinity into 1 plus r square by r square 1 sine theta. So my u theta is equal to 2u infinity sine theta. Since I have only u theta, ur is equal to 0, it means my q, which is equal to ur square plus u theta square and the square root, will be equal to, that q will be equal to u theta, which is u 2u infinity sine theta. So this is the answer. Okay, so answer is question number D. I hope you have understood this, students. Thank you very much.